What if one selfie could turn into a $300-looking headshot and people would happily pay you for it? Every professional needs a great headshot. With AI tools like Nano Banana, you can turn casual selfies into studio-quality portraits and sell this as an online service. Most people don't have time or money for a professional photo studio session. A traditional headshot shoot costs hundreds of dollars and requires travel, scheduling, and hours of time. Yet professionals still desperately need high-quality photos for LinkedIn, resumes, websites, and personal branding. They're stuck between needing professional photos and not being able to afford them. AI can clean backgrounds, fix lighting, enhance faces, and add a professional studio look instantly. In minutes, you can transform a casual selfie into a polished, professional headshot. The results are indistinguishable from traditional photography, but delivered in minutes instead of weeks. The process is simple. 3 steps. First, clients upload a few casual selfies. Second, you prompt the AI to generate professional headshots in different styles and backgrounds. Third, in minutes, you deliver multiple polished headshot options. Clients get to choose from multiple styles, backgrounds, and outfits, all generated from their original selfies. Who pays for this service? Job seekers need professional photos for LinkedIn and resume submissions. Freelancers and consultants need headshots for their websites and portfolios. Founders and entrepreneurs need professional branding photos. Real estate agents need updated headshots for listings. Anyone building a personal brand online needs professional photos. All of these professionals value their image and will pay for quick, affordable solutions. You can sell this service on multiple platforms. Launch on Fiverr and Upwork to reach professionals actively seeking headshot services. Use LinkedIn outreach to directly connect with job seekers and professionals. Build your own website to establish authority and charge premium prices. Join career-focused communities and resume building forums to find clients. Professional networks are highly engaged and actively looking for affordable headshot solutions. Let's talk money. Charge $15 to $60 per package of headshots, depending on how many variations you provide. Just 2 to 3 clients a day can generate $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Offer tiered packages. Basic for $19, Pro for $39, Premium for $59. Add-ons for different outfits, backgrounds, or styles increase average order value. Traditional studio headshots cost hundreds of dollars and require professional photographers, lighting equipment, and time. With AI, you deliver similar or better results in minutes at a fraction of the cost. You don't need photography equipment. You don't need a studio. You just need to understand your client's needs and deliver consistent, professional results. Here's how to start today. First, create demo headshots from your own selfies or find sample photos. Build a portfolio showcasing multiple styles and backgrounds. Second, list your service on Fiverr or Upwork with clear pricing and before and after samples. Third, offer fast delivery, 24 to 48 hours, to differentiate yourself and attract clients. Start with 1 or 2 clients, gather testimonials, and scale through word of mouth and repeat business. This is AI side hustle number 4. High value, always in demand, easy to scale. Follow for the next AI side hustle opportunity. Turn AI into sustainable income. Let's go.